In this task, you will obtain GIS data for this lab by visiting several online GIS data portals. The purpose of having you visit multiple data portals is to expose you to multiple different ways of getting shapefiles, and also to show you that there's a lot of freely available data on the web. You just have to do a little bit of navigation to find what you want. Another note, copies of this data have already been obtained and are available in the Lab 7 data/raw data folder. So if you're unable to obtain the data yourself, or you don't want to, you may skip to task 2 and use everything here in the raw data folder. So we will first go to the same National Geodetic Survey website you visited in Lab 5. This time, you will download a shapefile of the monuments in the Bernalillo County, New Mexico. This is the county in which Albuquerque is situated. So in a web browser, navigate to ngs.noaa.gov, and then in the bottom left-hand corner, click Survey Marked Datasheets. Scroll down, and in the Search By section, next to County, choose the GIS Shapefiles button. So we're going to select by county. So first we need to pick the right state. So we're going to go down and choose New Mexico and click Get County List. We're next going to choose the county we're interested in, the first one there. For the data type desired, we're going to do any let's see here, vertical control. It should be, there we go, any vertical control. Stability desired, we're going to do any stability. Compression option, we're going to, let's see here, send me all the shapefiles compressed into one zip file. And for the prefix, we're going to type in burn. And I'm going to click submit. And after a few moments, it returns the results. I'm going to click Select All. Give it just a moment here to select all. And then I'm going to click Get Shapefile. Okay, now that the file is finished downloading, I've placed it in my Lab 7 Data, My Data folder, and I'm going to extract it. So in this case, I'm going to use 7-zip and extract here. Okay, there we go. All right, so since we will identify monuments within the Albuquerque city limits, we'll need an Albuquerque city limit data set. So we will download the data from the City of Albuquerque GIS department. So get in a web browser, navigate to cabq.gov/gis/geographic-information-systems-data. Then scroll down until you find the municipal limits data. There it is. And then download the boundary shapefile to your folder. So the shapefile here is in this column. So I'm going to click on it. And we're going to download it and move it to our Lab 7 My Data folder. So here you can see it in My Data folder. And once again, I'm going to extract it. Next, we're going to visit the ArcGIS Clearinghouse. This is the main source for geospatial data in New Mexico. You will download the census tract boundaries for Bernalillo County. In a web browser, navigate to rgis.unm.edu. Click the Get Data button. In the folder tree, underneath Filter Data by Theme, there we go, expand Census Data. Expand 2010 Census. Click on 2010 Census Tracts. Download the Bernalillo County Census Tracts as a shapefile. So it's going to be this download shape right here. So with it in the, that's the raw data folder, let's put it in the My Data folder. There we go. I will once again extract it to this location. All right, so finally, we're going to visit the Bernalillo County GIS program to download a roads data set. This is the main source for geospatial data for New Mexico. You will download census tract boundaries for Bernalillo County. So in a web browser, go to bernco.gov/download-gis-data. Find the Download Shapefiles section by scrolling down. There we go, Download Shapefiles, and find the road inventory and click and download that file. Once it's downloaded into the My Data folder, once again extract it. And now we have downloaded all the data we need for this lab.